Hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix Harbor Breeze ceiling fan remote not working or responding. Programming and receiver fix. Fix 1 is check the remote batteries. Remove the battery cover from the remote, then replace the old batteries with new ones. Make sure the batteries are installed in the correct direction, plus and minus. Then test the remote again. Second fix is reprogram the remote. Turn the power fan off to about 10 seconds. Then turn the power back on. Within 30 seconds, press and hold the learn, sync or pair button, then wait for the fan or light to blink or beep, indicating successful pairing. Third fix is reset the ceiling fan. Turn off the fan using the wall switch or circuit breaker. Then wait for 2 to 5 minutes, turn the power back on. Try using the remote again. Fourth one is match the DIP switch setting. Open the battery compartment on the remote, then locate the small DIP switch. Remove the fan canopy and find the receiver. Ensure the DIP switch position on the receiver match those on the remote exactly. Reassemble everything and test the remote. Thanks for watching.